In the previous video, I talked about a new repertory based on 200 years old concept of two famous repertories of 18th century. And the first time Dr. Hahnemann appreciated only those two repertories among all repertories in footnote of aphorism 153 in Organon of Medicine. Because both were followed two ways, classical and clinical, which were used in homeopathic method of practice with second prescription in Organon of Medicine. But the first time, both ways of concept is used conjointly for making a single repertory in India after 200 years. Now I am sharing one by one those two repertories. This is first repertory, Charles Repertory. It was very famous in 18th century for clinical approach. And this repertory of Boninghassen's antisoric repertory. It also was very famous in 18th century for constitutional approach. And today I will share with you the name of that repertory. It's nothing else, it's KMCR, Keynotes Modern and Classic Repertory. You can see the contents where both ways are used according to cases, classical and clinical. It requires a very small number of rubrics and sub-rubrics for prescribing medicine in a very short time. Generally, 2 to 3 rubrics or sub-rubrics help in the selection of a single remedy, and it's most of the sub-rubrics have a single remedy for a prescription. You can see here 15 salient features of this repertory, like rubrics and sub-rubrics of miasm, diathesis, susceptibility, tendency, etc. Second, customized rubrics and sub-rubrics of body build. Third, chapter of the second prescription and instruction for the prescription with the use of potency, tincture, etc. Number 4, chapter emergency medicine for treatment of emergency cases in clinics, hospitals, ICU and trauma centers in future. 5 number, rubrics for medicinal aid in surgeries, labor and its side effects. 6. Follows all prescribing points guided in Organon of Medicine. 7. Follows the method of prescription of Dr. Hahnemann. 8. Converted symptoms of drug proving into rubrics and sub-rubrics directly after NER repertory, because this repertory is based on revised and updated edition of Allen Keynote, and Allen Keynote has all sign and symptoms extracted from the hearing guiding symptom 10 volume, which are sign and symptoms of drug proving. Number 9. Follows the classical way as written in Organon of Medicine and the clinical way as written in modern medical science. Number 10. No vague rubrics like other repertories according to modern medical science and Organon of Medicine. Number 11. Categorized and separated mental rubrics and sub-rubrics in constitution and mental diseases as per the direction of Organon of Medicine. Number 12. Many rubrics and sub-rubrics have a single remedy. 13. Helps and takes less time with few rubrics for a prescription. Number 14. Sensations are related to particular and feelings to the whole body. And the last 15 number, a handy repertory, easy to carry, just like Allen Keynote. So you can carry its repertory and Materia Medica both in your bag, on your table, in clinic, very comfortably.
Subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon button.